happening tonight. Thank you so much, James.
Mr. Amazing, thank you so much for giving us your time. Look what I have here. This is a presentation right here.
Yeah, Yvonne, right?
What's your name, sir?
Okay, hi.
My name is Kwesi Official.
Kwesi Official. What informed this look tonight?
See no evil, hear no evil, say no evil.
So you are mysterious tonight. See no evil, hear no evil, speak no evil.
Absolutely. Black shines bright.
Can you see clearly?
No, but I am able to see somehow.
Oh, wow. You can't see, but you're able to see somehow. That's interesting. Is this made in Ghana?
Absolutely.
What do you do, Mr. Mystery Man?
I am a social media influencer. I am an MC. I admire your works a lot. The first time I'm meeting you, I am not able to see you properly, but I am able to feel whatever I'm seeing. Yes, so I am.
What song represents your look and feel tonight?
Have you heard of Kempaluta's Foko?
Give me a line.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, honorable ministers, industry stakeholders, fellow creatives. Tonight is not just about awards and applause. As we celebrate, let us reflect on the collective actions affecting the music industry. The frustration with copyright issues, the thin rewards from streaming, the lack of institutional support, and the constant hassle to be heard beyond our borders. These concerns are not new, but tonight they must not remain old news. As storytellers and broadcasters, we know firsthand the weight that music carries, and our partnership with Charterhouse over the last 7 years continues today with a greater purpose. We are not waiting on change, we are shaping it, from showcasing music talent on our platforms to supporting new creators with visibility and digital tools. We continue to stand with the industry, not just in broadcast hours, but in building legacies. Government support must go beyond goodwill. The time has come to strengthen copyright enforcement, invest in creative education, and provide the infrastructure that allows talent to thrive, not just survive. To the private sector, the business case is clear. Music drives everything: marketing, branding, tourism, and innovation. Invest in our talent, not
between veteran artists and young artists.
What are you wearing tonight, my man?
I'm wearing my brother called Emma Creation. He put this together for me. Last year was the same fashion designer I used, so yeah. So he's been doing, yeah.
What are you, a rapper or a singer?
I'm a singer.
Singer. What categories are you eyeing next year?
I don't know. New artist of the year. Something like that. Yeah.
Well, do you have any songs out now? An album out? What should we expect?
I have a new music out with Laruso. Shout out to Laruso. And then the title is Tote Mole. You guys should go stream it out. Yeah.
That's Yoruba. I'll tell you what, you're from Nigeria and you grew up in Keita. I'm from Keita and I grew up in Nigeria. So good to see you, man. Reggie, speak to the legend now. Let's hear you.
Listen, the legend is in the building. And guess what? I live for moments like these. Ochiame Kwame. I don't know if I should call you Ochiame Moses, Ochiame Pharaoh. Are we changing the name tonight? Because this look definitely needs all the spotlights.
Thank you. So tonight, I am Pharaoh. Yes.
Why Pharaoh?
Because, there's a new dawn. Africa is rising. Africa is kicking against neo-colonialism, and our identity is rising. And I decided that tonight, based on what is happening in Burkina Faso and what is happening in the world and what our president is doing against neo-colonialism, I decided to remind all of us that we come from royalty.
I totally love it. Who designed it? Do we have the designer here? I think we need to put the spotlight on the designer as well. And, just give him a round of applause for what he's done. Very beautiful. So you made this outfit?
Yes, please.
How long did it take for you to put it together?
It took me 3 days. Yes.
Ashame, so we are here for music. Obviously, we are celebrating our Ghanaian designers, which we just did. But we're also here for the music, for the people and the culture. What are your expectations?
As usual, mirrors, smoke, beautiful art. I'm really excited about performances. I want to also know who is going to become Artist of the Year. And then I hope to win maybe 1 or 2 awards myself, just for my shelves.
Which one is Daddy winning? Come tell me. Which one is Daddy winning?
All the ones he was nominated for.
Okay, well, we hope that actually happens and history is made here tonight. Thank you so much, Achame. Do you want to say anything before we go?
This is my first time being here. I've heard a lot about the TGMAs, and I know you guys won't disappoint. So thank you guys for giving me the opportunity to be here, be on the cameras and everything. So peace out.
Nice, a very bold young man. Thank you so much, Achame, and we wish you all the best. Actually, thank you so much, Pharaoh Achame Kwame. Well, Bliss, are you ready to cross the Red Sea with us tonight?
Because the drama, man. The drama. Okay. I have been joined by a gospel music industry legend, a woman I spent my teenage years knowing, Dinah Hobson. Good evening, and it's wonderful to see you. How are you feeling tonight?
I'm feeling excited because at least for once we have the traditional gospel category and we also have the contemporary, the urban gospel guys are now also well recognized, and I'm very happy. I'm here to support my gospel act.
I'm sure you fought a lot for this.
Well, in a world where sometimes people think when you are in the faith industry, like you do things for God, sometimes people think that it's not business. But the thing is that we all need inspiration. We all need to praise our Maker. And so it falls an important part. And I'm so happy that I happen to look out for that.
I'm happy for you too. I'll tell you what, I know you're a board member of the TGMA, you're a board member. Congratulations this year. This is really awesome. I won't let you say much. Things are on time, things are moving nicely, and it's the good work you're doing in the back there. So congratulations and thank you so much. Legend. Back to you, Reggie.
All right, well, I can feel the Holy Spirit already because I've been surrounded by powerful men of God. How are you doing, gentlemen? Hinoy?
I'm fine. How are you?
Very well, very well. Please, you need to come closer. How are you feeling?
I'm excited, sure, yeah.
What are you excited most to see and experience at the TGMAs tonight?
I'm actually here to support the gospel fraternity, yeah, sure. And I'm just anticipating the great performance from Daughters of Glorious Jesus and then Empress Gifty, sure, yeah, sure.
Well, I'm sure this will not come as a surprise to any of us, but I'm going to ask Ninoy to describe how he's feeling with a song. And obviously, we know he's going to do a gospel song. Am I right?
Yeah, you're right. So we could do, you did Diffy Diffy, right? Let's do Diffy Diffy. Yeah, because it will take an award. Yes.
Okay, so are we feeling like, Father, the universe you made?
No, give me the rap side.
And hey. No, how do you put me on the spot like this? Do you want to do the rap?
Another time.
Okay, another time. And finally, of course, your expectations for tonight.
I'm expecting, it's 26 years of celebrating Ghanaian music, so I'm expecting that we'll see more of this. I'm expecting that the gospel artists on bill, Empress Gifty, Daughters of Glorious Jesus will give us a great, amazing performance like they do every year. Last year, Nasid gave us that. 2 years ago, we saw gospel artists giving us that. So I'm here to root for the gospel. I know the performance on the 9th, the gospel performance is going to be the best for the 9th, and that's why I'm here today.
Right. Well, I know they definitely will not disappoint, so do have a wonderful, actually a blessed evening. All right. Bless, take it away.
I have been joined by all the members of the new school. Look at them. Easy Swag, everybody. DJ Wallpaper, Kylie J, Pit Vampire, BJ, the sports agent. I'm going to put all of you on the spot quickly, but quickly.
the man. Oh, we're gonna take him all the way back. Are we ready to set it off? Let me see one or two of y'all on your feet if you remember this song. Hey, na 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 na. I'm performing for those standing. I said, wherever the party day we stand clean. Standing on the head, flex your I do. I know you. Put on for my kings and queens. We only find the time for the greens. Yeah, and come on, be a hobby. If it ain't money, we ain't cool. And by the way, I like to hang it with the alley. Oh, you too, huh? So I holla at the landlord, make you really good. And nowadays, whole city go crazy when I drop that fire. Oh, it's blowing up the phone. I don't need that. Hey, you know I mean that. The boy focus on the mind. Hey, round like a villain. I see money I'm out there when you know what we doing. Chillin', what we doing? Wow, side to the ceiling. I'm like that. I got my man and you're going to you want chillin', you want chillin'. Hey, wherever the party day, him I say we clean and they can we not forget it. Can't get enough away. They know we live and here with the fire blazing. Always gonna cost you, baby. Don't they look like the boys fully stop me, baby? That's the forges, baby. Come on. I used to I still did crash in all day and all night. Sound of the studio like a Mo Miles. Hey, and when we touch down, gotta give them something to hate on. You can't keep up cause you ain't the type. You can't